Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my New Year's look. The one thing that I wanted was to have some gold in there, so I just did something nice, super quick, beginners friendly. It didn't take that much to do. And this look is more on the full coverage side, so this is gonna last you the entire night. So that is going to be today's video. Hopefully you guys love it. Before I jump in, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know down below what other videos you guys want to see, and without further ado, let's just jump right in. I'm starting off by priming my eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape. Then I am going with the shade from the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette, and I'm going to start placing this on my crease. I am building the shade up as well as blowing out the shade. Now, when I'm happy with the pigment, I'm going to go in with this darker brown shade. And I'm using that same brush. I'm going to place this right below the first shade that we use. And you guys are going to see that it's going to just start adding some dimension and definition to the eyes. I'm also going back in between the two shades, making sure that it's nice and blended to one another. Now I'm taking this brown shade, and you're going to see that I switched to a more tapered brush. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner, focusing only in that area to really intensify and deepen that area. Then, of course, you want to make sure that you go back in with the other two shades and just make sure that everything's nice and blown out. Now, I did say that I want to use some gold. I'm going to go ahead and use this gold from the palette. I'm going to start off by using my fingers, and I am just packing this shade on, and look how beautiful this shade is. It's like the perfect gold look. Then I went in with some of the brown shimmer in between the gold and the matte brown, just to make everything blend into one another better. Then I went in with a little bit more of the gold. Now I'm taking the James Charles Create Paint and Ink, and I'm going to start by doing a wing. I did do a review on this, so if you are interested, it is going to be linked down below. Then to add a little bit of drama, because this is a New Year's Eve look, I went ahead and added the inner cat just to create a more sultry look. This pigment is really easy to use. I consider it to be very beginners friendly. Anyone can use it. It didn't give me any trouble, and it's super pigmented. Now I'm taking the NARS foundation and taking the Sephora No. 6 multi-face brush, and this foundation is full coverage. You guys are going to see here the difference. I like to use this foundation when I am going out for the night because it is going to last all day. Now I'm taking the LYS No Limit Bronzer in Harmony. I'm going to go in and place it on the back of my hand, and then I'm taking the No. 4 Sephora brush here, and I'm going to start placing this bronzer exactly where I want it. Putting it on the back of your hand just ensures that the product just melts into your hand. I feel like I have more control of the placement of the bronzer when I do it this way. So when I have a little extra time and when I want my makeup to look extra nice, this is the technique that I do. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a little smidge, just a little bit of nose contour. I'm not very good at it, so just something to define my nose. Then I go in with the Rare Beauty in Joy. I just feel like this shade looks so beautiful with the gold. Now for concealer, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You guys know this is full coverage as well, and it does an amazing job at highlighting my under eyes. I'm going to place that under my eyes, a little bit at the top of my nose, and then underneath the contour. I like to have a very chiseled bronzer look when I am doing a night out. Then I'm taking the Sephora, I believe this is called the multi-eye brush, to blend it out. Now we are sculpt and we just gotta set the face. I'm taking the Rare Beauty on a powder puff to just set my under eyes, underneath the contour, and then just my forehead. And then I go in with a brush to just blend it out. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker palette. I'm going to take those 3 shades, mix them together just to set the cream bronzer that I did. We are looking very bronzed up today. Then I'm taking the Benefit blush in Terra. I feel like it's a nice burnt orange, more on the brown side, so it was just perfect for this look. Then I'm taking the brown shade and adding it on my bottom lash line. Then I went in also with some of that gold kind of towards the inner corner just to add a little bit of pop. Then I just blend everything out with the lighter brown shade. Taking the Professional Super Setter to go ahead and just set my face. I went ahead, curled my lashes. And then I am taking the Benefit Cosmetics. I believe this one's Their Real mascara. This one's super duper black, but I really like it. And I went ahead and put it on my bottom lash line as well, just to add some drama. For lip liner, I'm taking the Makeup by Mario lip liner in Tan. Then I went in with this Benefit liquid lip, really nice, added like a peachy tone to the lips, and this will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.